there. Put it back out there. You ain't gotta put it back out there. No, it's stuck. It's not open. Put it back in. Oh boy, look at you. You gonna do better than me? Oh, look. It ain't no meat.